welcome to our channel, To the Magic and Beyond. I'm Michaela.
I'm Kirsten. Today we'll be unboxing some Loungefly pins that we got from Pink a la Mode. Our first one is Winnie the Pooh. And they're cute little hexagon shapes. From this one, I kind of want Piglet.
I want Eeyore.
Eeyore. And then the Pooh is the chaser pin, which is the hard to find pin of the box.
And then we also got, it's the Sensational 6 as snacks. And then is that cupcake, right?
Yeah.
The Mickey cupcake one is the chaser one. And, which one do you want?
I want Mickey or Minnie from this one.
I want Pluto. Pluto.
Alright.
Which one should we open first?
Which one do you want to open first?
We can open the Pooh ones.
Winnie the Pooh.
So we got two of them. Two Winnie the Poohs.
We're going to open two of our Winnie the Pooh boxes. See what we get. And just like all Loungefly pins, they do come in a little black bag just to keep it the mystery.
These smell too. I don't get why they smell like metal. I guess because it is metal. Oh!
Aww!
So I got, let's see if I can hold this. Yeah. I got Tigger. This Tigger is cute. I really like Tigger.
Is it what? It's like a black metal. And then on the back it does have the Loungefly crowns. Oh. And then I got Eeyore, which is one of the ones we were hoping for. And these are pretty big pins compared to some of the other Loungefly pins that they have. And then it's got the crowns on the back. So yeah, they're cute.
I don't like it.
And then, not like typical Disney pins on the back, they do have the little pinch removing backs that are on most pins besides Disney pins that have the little Mickey ones.
And then that's our only Pooh ones that we got.
We got one of the ones we wanted.
Yeah. I don't know, they're both really cute though. I like them both.
They are, yeah. And they're pretty big.
Yeah. So, the next we have 3 of the Sensational 6 snacks ones. So, open this.
And then this one's we were hoping for Mickey, Minnie, or Pluto.
They're all really cute though.
They are, yeah.
Oh. So our first one we got is the Daisy donut. And hers is, the back is gold.
Gold, yeah.
It's gold and it has a little pinch thingy on the back too.
Let me see the front. Oh, the little sprinkles are cute.
Yeah. So this is one of them. I think it's cuter in person than it is on the box.
So we did get one of the ones I was hoping for. We did get the mini ice cream cone. I like how it's got the retro Minnie Mouse sleeve on the bottom. And it's got the cute little bow and flower on the top. And it's gold as well.
So this is our last one. And there's no little lippy things.
There isn't.
Let's see. Give me the scissors.
Yeah, let me grab these. Most of them have the little tear edge so you can get it open easy, but this one was missing it this time.
Oh. And then we got another Daisy donut. Donut Daisy.
I like the detail on it.
Yeah, I like the icing. The icing looks cute.
Yeah.
So that is all the pins that we have for today.
We'll get these posted on our Instagram account at To the Magic and Beyond. If you want to trade with us, give us a message in our Instagram message box and we'll get back to you and we can trade some of our duplicates for some of yours that you're hoping for. Make sure you give us this video a big like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see all of our videos. And make sure you hit that bell button to get notified when we post new videos.
Thanks for sharing another magical moment with us, and see you next time.
Bye!